Turning dresses into tops, alterations. This is something that you can do for your own wardrobe, or you could add this as a service, part of your alteration services that you offer to your clients. Alterations is something you can do as an entire business, or it could be a service that you're including this into your business as an extra service. I'll be showing you how I've taken some of my dress patterns, I'll leave the links down below, that I've turned them into tops, as well as one of my jackets that I cut it shorter and created a gilet, which I've got on right now. So this is not just alterations, this is about refashioning and recycling a wardrobe that maybe your clients still love certain garments in their wardrobe, but not sure why they're not getting that full wear out of those garments. And perhaps just looking at a dress and go, well, maybe you don't go to so many evening functions anymore, you go more to sort of cocktail kind of get-togethers with the girls or the friends, that if you'd rather just trim that dress into a top, you can wear it with a skirt, a pair of jeans. Now that top becomes so much more versatile that you can wear in your wardrobe. This is definitely a service that you could offer to your clients. Just by mentioning those facts, that now that dress becomes a top, which becomes so much more versatile. You can wear it with a pair of jeans, with a pair of flats to make it toned down, formal slacks, or a nice killer heel and beautiful earrings. You're changing the entire look and style, and that wardrobe just becomes so much more wearable and fun for you. At least you're still wearing those clothes that you love, that you weren't wearing and you didn't know why you were wearing them anymore. So my name is TANIA SUTHERLAND, a fashion designer for over 36 years, combining the styling, the image, the mindset, the confidence about being an entrepreneur, that transformation, combining all those years of knowledge into products and services to help you to grow your business, as well as just for you to grow and adapt and design and sew your own wardrobe. If you love this kind of content, all about creativity and feeling absolutely amazing in what you're wearing, how about giving me a like, a thumbs up, please share, as well as don't forget to subscribe, and most important, I would love to hear comments from you down below, that I can come back to you and engage with you and get to know you more. Alterations is definitely something that you can look into your own wardrobe, go into your wardrobe and have a look at all the garments that you are not wearing. And then you can say, okay, a long pair of pants, let me make them into a pair of, 3/4 length trousers, or you can make them into walking shorts or into a sexy pair of shorts. As long skirts, you're not wearing them, why not just stand in front of the mirror and pin them to different lengths and see which one you resonate with the most, and you know that you'll be wearing more at that particular length. Exactly the same with your jackets. If your jackets are too long, why not stand in front of the mirror and pin till you find that absolute beautiful length that looks great on you. These are things you can offer as an alteration business. You could say to your clients, let me come over to your home and let me come and do a complete recycle and refurbish your wardrobe for you. Let's have a look at all the things that you are not wearing, that we can take them and change them and just bring them back to life again, that you can actually wear those beautiful garments that you've invested in. And of course, you are charging a fee. Your service fee would be obviously your petrol, your time, by being by your client, redoing their wardrobe, that whole transformation of the wardrobe, as well as charging your services for doing the alterations for your client. Make sure that you have a beautiful sheet typed out before you go with all the brief, all the information. Take your tape measure with, take your pins with, and pin the garment on the client while she's wearing it in front of the mirror to show her what length looks absolutely beautiful on her. Get her yes, get her approval, make a note on your brief that you're getting the client's approval and confirmation of what she wants and how she wants that garment to be shortened, or just a whole new transformation. Part of my styling and my designing services, I brought this in as one of my other services that I offered my clients. They just loved this. I really enjoyed it myself. I used to purge my clients' wardrobes, refashion, recycle their garments. Plus, I'd go shopping with them to add a few more elements that are in the shop that they can actually buy immediately to combine with the new wardrobe, the whole new transformation looks that I was altering and changing for them. Plus, I was adding new designer garments into their wardrobe. So I was very happy getting all these extra sales. My client was very happy. And the nice thing about this was that my client was telling all her friends. And guess what? This grew very quickly. This was an amazing service that I offered. You can offer this too. Oh, before I forget, I do have an affiliate program with all my pattern collections and my courses. I'll leave the link down below. I would love to pay you to generate more income to add these products to your website and into your business, that you can grow your business, have much more to offer to your clients as well as for yourself. My name is TANIA Sutherland, and thank you so much for watching my video. It's all about enhancing your skills for your sewing and also turn your sewing and designing into a business.